Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a product filter in your WordPress website. So I'm using Asta WordPress theme and Elementor page builder. So let's go and check a shop page. So this one is basically category page for the main category. If I scroll down, so this one is the sidebar that is empty. So now I want to add here a product filter. So you can use this powerful plugin to create Ajax product filter. So that will be a real-time filter that you can easily apply for different products. So first of all, we need to go in dashboard, and after that you can install the plugin from here. So you will get a zip file. After getting this plugin, then you can easily upload that file from here. So let me select the file from my laptop, install it. Now activate this plugin. And now let's scroll down. Here you can see under the YITH, click on Ajax product filter. Scroll down. So this one is the default preset. You can easily add anywhere using this shortcode. You can also edit this default preset. So now scroll down, filter by brands, by categories, by tags. So also by color, anywhere. You can also use widgets. Go to appearance, then click on widgets. On widgets page you can scroll down, and here you can see this one, Ajax filters preset. Then you can add widget. So this one, click on button done. So after that, let's reload this page, and now here you can see filter is available. You can easily select and apply pricing as well as by categories, by size, and different other options.